Hello? Yeah, I don't know, that's weird. I need to check if this sound really works. Hold on. Так, 2 Godota, да. Так, 2 Godota, да. О, я себе чую, окей. Це норм. О, я себе чую, окей. Так, зараз я рубаю. Чому 2 Godota? Тому що я перероблюю State машину для даної гри. Я перероблю State машину для плеєра. І тут, власне, це як приклад по туторіалу. Тобто я перероблюю стейти, щоб хендлити все по типу Finite State Machine, коротше. Геній. Окей. Я все поміняв трохи. Ось в мене є. Так. Я додав. Так, ось у мене є плеєр. Зараз я відкрию плеєра. Ось у мене є плеєр, в нього є стейти. На основну ноду прикріплений скрипт, який відповідає за саму стейт машину. То тут якби типу тригеряться всі стейти і перевіряються, коли треба свідчити їх. І які куски кода ранити для, ну, типу, між цими стейтами. Да, тому так. Okay, so so we have states, like we have idle, run, all basic states that we have. I think I forgot to add this stagger when the player receive damage from the enemy. So I added it here, but it doesn't have scripts yet. So I started working on jumps, and as far as I remember, it wasn't actually working. So I think running is working using new code, but jumps is totally broken, yeah. So I tried to rewrite some stuff in jumps, but looks like it wasn't a good idea at all. So I just wanted to copy the jumps that I already have. And it's hard to understand where is my code actually. Like, is jumping, jump, where I actually tracking it? Is jumping state machine jumps, then velocity. So I just added velocity to Y. That's how I jump? Yeah, that's too many stuff here. I just copied it from the example script, but I don't think it will work. Move and slide, that's all bullshit. Where is this code running? Okay, here. Animate jump here. This is also some stuff. So yeah, I think I need to let's just remove it. Wait, yeah, let's just play with velocity. Do we have it here? No, we don't. Okay, so we have horizontal, yeah, so this is a horizontal velocity. And where we actually, okay, right there. So well, let's just not sure it will work because jump. Okay, we have some export variable. Let's just copy this one. Rename it after that. Yep. And then animate. This is again some bullshit I don't need. Animate. It's just we need to we need to just run this code, but we don't really need to update it every single time, so we don't need that. I don't know, will it work? Okay, it's actually jumping, but it's not so high. Delta direction is not used at all here. 8 bigger than 0 then. Horizontal enter velocity, input direction, vertical speed 600. Okay, is this used somewhere? No, it's not. And the I don't actually. Oh, okay, update loop direction. That's different script. This is the enter. This is the delta. Yeah, it's hard to understand at least something in the morning. But in the same time, well, let's check one more time how I jump in here. So, is jumping. This is just a double jump strength. Like, okay, let's at least make one jump. And that's it. Looks like that's all we have here. Like, just add change velocity and that's all. Okay, do we have? Oh, we don't have. We don't have this up direction. Vector up. Yeah. Looks like there is no gravity, and yeah, there is like literally no gravity at all. I need to remember, like, do we even current state update? So it just go to every single and if in jump we don't apply gravity, there is no gravity, yeah? That's not how it should be. We should have gravity all the time. Where is run? So here's our run, and this is a gravity. But in player we add gravity to the y and then multiply it by delta. And let's add it. Let's add it to the jump. It's update, right? Well, actually we can just do it here. Gravity multiplied by delta. Then, yeah, plus minus strength, jump strengths, and let's check if gravity even works. Is the position changing? Or it's like so small that I can't even see. I think no. I think the position is all the same. But it's okay, it only works when it oh fuck. What? That weird. So yeah, when I run in, there is also no gravity. At least like when there is no idle. Should I that's weird. Like how do you want to manage the running? Not where, in what state you want to apply gravity. Basically it doesn't gravity shouldn't be changing from the state. It's like in general, so it should be applied everywhere. But in the same time it's like move and slide thing, and it should be related to something. Like for example, if I idle, there is no gravity at all, but it should be there. This is weird. Maybe it should be then here. I mean, because it shouldn't be. We should manage this in one place. If it will be in multiple scripts, we will, like, if we need to change the, I don't know, the amount of gravity, the amount of power, we should do that in every single script. That's this is I don't know. Or maybe at least it should be in motion. But we don't have any functions here that it could be. Oh wow, actually we can create a function, but... And then state, what we have in state? Okay, we have update and all this stuff. This is really interesting. Okay, on the ground. If we're on the ground, we don't actually, I mean, we still need the gravity. Let's Well, if we should apply gravity in this every single state, then we can just use this function. I don't know if we will have, for example, like gravity, and this is delta, and then here we will have how it's export var or something. Just copy this one. No, what? I don't know actually why it's so small, because it was bigger for velocity. Okay, actually I think we also need and then apply gravity will be velocity y gravity multiplied by delta. This is the exactly how it works. And then owner move and slide, yeah, and velocity, and this is gonna be vector 2 up. I don't know will it work or not, but maybe let's then remove it from every single place that we have, like here. Don't need it. Then we have motion, we don't have gravity, we have running, we also shouldn't have gravity over here. Like this. I think it will fail somewhere, but looks like it doesn't work at all. Oh wait, did I? Yeah, never run it. It's actually interesting. I'm not sure it will even work, because this is so we extend from it, but I think this code never ran. Just okay, print test, because this is works like an interface, so it actually never run. Yeah, that's what I thought. Because we have override it everywhere, so it wouldn't work. But we can run it from different places, like we have it in node and we have these functions over here. So somewhere, I don't know, on the ground? No. Nope, I think we need to run it everywhere, in every single, for example, okay, this is running, apply gravity, delta. So when we are running, we should be under the gravity. Okay. What? Okay, it's colliding with something. I think that's the gravity is too high. Maybe. Let's. Oh wait. Should we also velocity like that, and then print it? Oh wait, is that like sliding too much? Okay, weird stuff, weird stuff. So I don't really like, because it will be changing from state to state. Like I think there will be micro freezes when you actually switch the state, and it was applying from one update and then we switch to different ones. So but let's add it in idle, and we'll see, and maybe in jump as well. This apply gravity delta. This is funny. I don't understand why I'm running in the same direction. This is some. Oh, because I know. I think I don't actually drop, like reset the movement. Like I don't immediately switch it. And I think this all caused by really heavy gravity. This is weird. And at least I know, like when the horizontal direction is 0, then the velocity x will be also 0. And what in this case? Like input strength, get input strength. Like if there is no input, then it will be 0, right? Okay, motion and then run. If not, update look direction, that's fine. Speed max, speed collision. Why it's moved though? Okay, move, that's just a function. Okay, input direction. Get input direction. Then velocity will be direction and speed, and if direction is 0, then I mean obviously it will be should be moved to 0. Oh wait, what if we're gonna use not this velocity but one that we already have? Yeah, we're using it here. So we wouldn't apply like the different velocity to the same velocity like this. Okay, idle, jump, move and slide here as well. I don't actually like this function. Okay, at least the running is feel normal right now. It's still, there is some gravity changing every single time it. Okay, so we don't actually need this one, and yeah, horizontal, don't actually need this one. Max horizontal speed. Who's actually using this? Max horizontal speed equals speed if speed more than 0, else base horizontal. What? Okay, I mean, yeah, I don't know every single code line that is used here, so maybe it will be used in future somewhere, like really somewhere. Okay, so what was jump straight? Like, why you still don't like to be moved this way? Okay, jump. So move horizontally, and it looks like it's so the problem was that I actually, like, what would they use here? Like when the animation is actually stopped. So play idle. Why it's idle in the jump? So I think so let's open the players, and then we have animation player, and there is nothing here, so it's like almost empty all the time. I thought maybe there is a function that is called right after it's done, like the jumping is done. But looks like it's now on the ground. If event is action pressed jump, then emit signal finish a jump. So this, I think this used is to handle finish to switch the states. So here is a change state. We use this method, clean up the current state with the exit method, manage the flow and the history of states. So current state exit, state name, if state name previous, if state name push front, states jump, stagger jump attack, I think. What? Yeah, let's if state jump, then initialize jump. This is what done here, and state changes. State changed. I mean, yeah, that's pretty. Initialize. Okay, max speed, max horizontal speed, and then enter var input, get input direction. This is all preparing for vertical speed 600. Oh, okay. If height is 0, that's where it it's in the update, and this is how I check it as well. But I'm not sure I changed the height somewhere. Yeah, that's... Okay. Okay. This is just like the animation of the vertical speed, gravity. Where is vertical speed used? Oh, it's minus gravity and delta. Yeah. And then height plus vertical speed multiplied by delta. And then just what's the maximum? It still use move and slide. But it locks the movement. So I think in this case I should be cancelling it differently. Cancel the animation, the whole animation, because I used how I used it before. So I have this player animation, right? I have animation player. Let's open the jump. Oh, wait, that's just no, this is not how it worked. Okay, I already forgot how my code worked and what logic I had there. So I were checking if I falling. Is falling, it's like when the velocity and looks like it's another one state that I forgot. Falling. Or maybe it's just like a part of... It depends how do you... Oh my god, this is so hard. I don't know, now I think it should be fallen as a different state, or we should... I think it should be as a different state as well. Okay, one more node, and this will be fall. Let's have it fall. Right here. And then we should end the jump state when we started falling. And we started falling when the velocity y is more than 0. Yeah, y velocity is more than 0. So yeah, and then we probably should not change it to previous. Oh wait, oh what the hell? let's use one state for the jumping and for the falling, but since it's, I mean, we can, it's logic, then the player is in the air, so then we should have one state, but we will be switching the animation through if the velocity is like 1, is it like below 0, then this means that we're going up, so we're jumping. We should enter the jump animation. If the velocity is more than 0, then we falling, and then in this case we should play different animation. I'm not sure it's a good idea, but let's try it, and we'll see. So okay, it's in the update, we applied move horizontally, and now we need to check the velocity y. Okay, but in this case we should also track the end of the animation as well. Let's leave it like this, and then if velocity y bigger than 0, then this means we're falling. So different animation should be played over here. Why it's run? Why it's run? I have no idea why it's run. Oh, damn it. I just thinking now, okay, how in this case we could use jump when we just fall from the platform, because we don't apply anything. Oh, come on. Sorry guys for the boring stream. Boring coding stream when you don't know what you actually want to do and how to get this shit done. Yep. I should rename this stream info like a struggling developer. Struggling indie developer. Struggling indie dev. Indie dev really struggles here. I just don't like when the whole idea of this finite state machine, that they have you can switch to the previous state. But so for example, I was running, then I jump, right? I'm in the air, and then I start in falling. So the queue of states switched from the run to the jump, and then from the jump to falling. And when I land, I can't switch to the previous state. I only like logically, I only need to switch to the running, because that's what I was doing before, right? I mean, logically falling should always switch to running when you're running, but if you were idle, then if you was idle, then you should switch back to idle. And there is no track. You can't track this stuff. Like previews? I don't know, we can change it. State machine and just like state name previews, pop front, and like pop front twice. Well, we can actually pop front twice. Will it work though? Pop front removes and returns the first element of the array. Returns null if the array is empty without printing an error message. See the pop back. Note: on large arrays this method is much slower than pop back, as it will reindex all the array elements every time it's called. The larger the array, the slower pop front will be. Yeah, that makes sense. First of all, I think I want to not here. I think on every update, I just wanted to see the. Oh, by the way, I need to remove this comments. Like how many state stacks do I have, like every single time? I mean, if I will be jumping, then like how long is the history of my okay, idle. So it's never two of them. You just change it immediately. What it's actually do? So it's so pop front is just deleted the current one, and so basically the current state will be if state name is previous, then state stack. Yeah, so like current state will be state stack. But for example, when I was running, where does fucking running here? Come on, what the hell, where are you? How are you even running if there's no... What weird. Okay, anyway, so it added push front, states map, states name, that's the dead. Okay, so that's the when the running applied, it's just applied here. So, and when the stagger, this one is actually states map. If the state name is in stagger dash jump attack, so that's when we press the jump button, then it adds it to the stacks, right? Because that's the status that should be like should be restored. they always should get back to the previous state. Well, I can be, for example, when I fall in, when the state is falling, then this means that it should be already having to previous state now. Okay, what if I'm going to remove this and I'm going to print the stack here. So it will be printing only when we jumps. Okay, one print done. It just run. Okay, fucking fight mode. So it only... Oh, because, I mean, yeah, wait, hold on. And let's states like this, and then we will have another print map, and then this will be states map. But the states map is just this one. Like, I know how it will look, so let's just remove. Because there is no logic in what I'm doing. Okay, and what's there? Jump and run. So jump and run. And if state name, come on, state name equal falling, then what we should do, then we push front. Because that's actually interesting. Like, oh wait,
Discovery Houston, print to ATO.
what is this? Okay, and let's go to the jump and. Yeah, like this, like emit signal. Emit signal falling. Will it actually ever be below 0 since the gravity is not working? Oh, okay. Tell me what you got. What is the applied gravity works? Wait, but when do I fall? Like, if velocity is y more than 0, and that's when I fall. Weird stuff. Jump. Okay, let's print. velocity y to check what's going on here. Okay. So yeah, I mean, I apply it. I just apply it every single frame, yeah? What the hell? Not sure I understand what I'm doing. Okay, now it's just increasing all the time. I think it should be like enter velocity initialize. This is yeah, that's the problem of this code. Like, it doesn't work for me at all. This initialize stuff. I just need to have it like right here. That's my initialize. I don't need everything else. Okay. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, okay, errors? What's wrong? Can't emit non-existent signal state change. Oh, because I call in the state that doesn't exist. Okay, anyway, I think I will continue trying to debug this stuff and to add those states. There is another problem that I might will have. It's related to attack from the top. Because it's like part of jump. So this is some sort of... Or maybe it's... Come on, I don't know, but yeah, we'll see. We'll see how it will go, but logically I like it more because all the stuff is separated and you can check every single piece of code in different files and it's all like logical and maintainable. So that's good, but yeah, we'll continue to work on that. Yeah, and that's all. I hope maybe I will not have this boring stream anymore, but yeah, it is what it is. Okay, thank you everyone and see you.